Bienvenidos! It's your boy Bender here at Street and Trail Motorsports for another edition of Showing Off in Seconds. And here's another one of our used inventory that we have. It's a 2017 Suzuki SV650. It's got a 90-degree V-twin motor in there. Very beautiful bike, very clean. We've also added a few things to her. We got the official SV slider pegs. Some rear stand spools right there, so you can lift up that rear tire and adjust your chain, clean your tires and wheels. Makes it so much easier to work on your bike with that. Also make her a little clean. We got a tail eliminator kit put on there. Looks so much better than stock. But let's crank her up and see what she sounds like. Stop with my jibber jabber. All right, you can see she's got a little over 1,700 miles. One really nice thing about this bike is it does have a gear indicator on there, and a very large tach for, you know, the novice riders. Makes so much easier when you're riding around knowing what gear you're in. But let's give her a little lump. You can hear that V-twin, but come check her out. We can get you financed and all that. If you need to do a trade-in, we take trade-ins as well. Come look at her, check her out, and get her done. And we'll check you later.